Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make a Gmail account. Well, this video is just for students or beginners who do not know how to make one. If you already know the tutorial, this video is probably not for you. There are many methods of creating the Gmail account. I am showing you the easiest one. First of all, you have to click on Google here on the G button. After then you have to click on this icon of face showing you can click on add another account. I am already having so many accounts, so I will just adding one more account for you. Here you can go to create account for myself. If you have to create an account for yourself, then you have to click on for myself, or if you have to create an account for your business, then this icon. I am creating an account for myself. So here first name you can put your name, but I am putting good boy, and last name hacker. Okay, then you have to click on next. You can give your basic information, for example your birthday date. I am just randomly giving is 20 April 2001. Gender male, female, whatever you are. After then you have to choose one Gmail, or you can create your own Gmail account. I am choosing this Gmail. Then you have to enter the password. I am just cutting this. After typing the password, then you will be given this option. You have to add phone number or not. Well, I am skipping cause I have already mentioned my phone number in another. Here good, you can click on next and your Gmail account is created. These are privacy and terms which Google have to offer, so I will click on I agree button. Here they are checking info. Google services accept. Well, my account is created.